Welcome to a very wet and cold Pleasure Beach. It's the 5th of March 2017 and we are back again for the 2017 update to Construction 18, the Mack Mega roller coaster. Here we can see loads of footers on the ground. A lot of work has taken place on the old turtle tray site. We've got more footers on here. This is where last year, 2016, the fireworks were set off. There are also more footers on the ground here by the Pleasure Beach Express. Now, if you remember from our last update, where we are always in the Skyforce queue line, there's a queue line, this construction wall has now gone in. This big wall, where the old entrance to Skyforce used to be over there, as you can see now, all the footers have been placed. Because the launch is going to be down towards Big Dipper over there. First launch come down, Airtime Hill, then through this hole in the big one. And then these footers are for the, I don't really know what they're called, it's like a turnaround loop here, and the 0G roll over here as well. So as you can see, all behind here, all the footers, I don't know what they're for, but after it's been over there, it's going over towards the steeple trace. A lot of work's happened over there. You can see the Go-Karts used to be over there, they've now gone. And they've dug very deep into the ground where the Go-Karts used to be. So what we'll be doing with these updates now is probably at the end of every month, so this is the February edition, even though I filmed it on the 5th of March, it's the February edition, so at the end of every month you'll have an update on what has changed on the site. So since last November, September when I last did it, obviously a lot has changed. All we had last year was the ground was starting to take shape, they're clearing out all the dirt, and obviously Skyforce, all the queue line was still here. We still had the old entrance there. Remember when I was saying as well that there were some blue pegs on the ground for the footers? Well, they have all been put in, as you can see. And you can see there as well, sorry about the noise, big ones that's going up the lift hill. Got some steel vertical columns. I don't know what they're for, they could be for the shop, or it could be for some more supports. At the moment, the Pleasure Beach Express is closed due to the work happening. Wild Mouse is currently closed due to, I think it's getting automatic brakes, and also Crazy Daisy, which is the old Tetley Teacups ride, is currently closed at the minute as well due to annual maintenance. So yeah, footers, a load more footers in the Skyforce area has been poured at Pleasure Beach for Construction 18. We also have these black barrels in some of the parts of the park, and especially in the south end. See, there's one here, one over there, and also a few more over there around the go-karts. We believe these to be footers for when the supports come on site. But what I don't understand is that some are actually cemented to the ground, but some have a hole underneath them. So I don't know if some are going to be the footers and some are going to be sort of temporary. So at the minute they've put tables on top so people can use them to eat their food. Well, it's going to be interesting this year to watch Construction 18 go vertical.